Hey everybody, it's Alan. Hope that you are doing well. It's November 30th, and today marks the 1-year anniversary of the passing of Christine McVie. In honor of her memory, here's the song Songbird. I honestly can't think of a better song to pay tribute to such a magnificent woman. This song is by far and away my favorite song off of the Rumors album. To be completely honest with you, I don't really particularly care for this iteration of Fleetwood Mac. I know it's their most popular time period. I understand how massive the Rumors album was. I'm more of a Peter Green era fan or a Bob Welch era fan. And so it's a personal thing. I just never really particularly cared for this time period. Maybe it was overplayed in my youth. Maybe my sisters listened to the Rumors album incessantly and it would drive me up the wall. It's not that there aren't good songs on it. It's just in my brain it's overplayed. But this song never gets played. I never hear it, ever, ever, ever. And it is so beautiful. It is such a wonderful, classic, minimalist song with a beautiful voice singing over it. And God, she composed one hell of a song. And like I said, I can't think of a better way to pay, tribute to her memory on the 1-year anniversary of her passing. So if you enjoyed this or not, whatever, please feel free to leave a comment if you'd like. It's cool. We can talk about it. And just know that I appreciate y'all and I wish you well. Take care.